Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. Iman's here with another harmonica video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play a cool and simple song on your harmonica with just 4 notes. Yeah, you heard it right. 4 notes, C, D, E, G. To play this song, you have to learn how to play these 4 notes on your harmonica. The first one is C, 4 blow. The next one is D, 4 drop. Next one is E, 5 blow. And next one is G, 6 blow. So C, D, E, G. So take your time, practice a couple of days before diving into the song. Keep in mind, you have to learn how to play the single notes. Like this, not like. It's not good, doesn't work, okay? Just take your time and practice to make a single note on your harmonica. You'll spend a couple of days on how to play these 4 notes and how to switch between them. Now it's time to play the song. There we go. We have the notes and the tablatures. So if you are familiar with the notes, musical notation, so you can use the notes. If you don't, you can use the tabs. The numbers are whole numbers. 5 is 5, whole number 5. 4 is 4, whole number 4. And the plus sign means that it's a blow note. So the first one, 5, with plus sign is 5 blow. And the regular numbers are draw notes. First bar, I have E, D, C, D. 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw. Second bar, E, E, E. 5 blow, 5 blow, 5 blow. Bar number 3, D, D, D. 4 draw, 4 draw, 4 draw. Bar number 4, E, G, G. 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 blow. Next line, bar number 5, E, D, C, D. Bar number 6, E, 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 C. 5 blow, 5 blow, 5 blow, 4 blow. Bar number 7, D, D, E, D. 4 draw, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. And the last one is C. The black notes are quarter notes. Just takes 1 beat. These are half notes, the white ones. Takes 2 beats. And the last one has a round shape. It's a whole note. Takes 4 beats. Now I'm going to play this song with a backing track. How cool it is. The backing track tempo is 100, but before starting to play with the backing track, you have to learn the song and how to play it correctly. The speed is not important, doesn't matter. Just practice until you feel you're comfortable with the song, and then you can improve your playing. You can increase the speed. So you need time. Don't rush. Save the video, practice the song for a week or 2, and then come back and play this part with me. Because at the beginning, playing with a backing track is not easy. You need to feel comfortable with the song. improve your speed. Then you are good to go to come back and play the song with me. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up to support your channel and make me able to make more videos like this. Please subscribe, like the videos, and comment down below if you have any questions. See you on the next one. Peace.